Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3.
This morning I'm blending up a creamy fat latte. That's one of my favorites on the weekend. So I'm using a splash of half and half and a packet of vanilla bean keto cream, which also the sweet cream works just as well for this. I blend that up and it literally makes a frothy, fat-fueled latte that's perfect for breakfast.
And I'm guessing it's like how it is, and I can't wait for the weekend. Keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my nerves again. Summertime, go for a swim. Wintertime, go grab a sled.
It's now 9 o'clock and I'm mixing up my first ketone of the day. I'm doing berry blue and mixing that with lemon MITOPLEX, which is so good. And I like to drink these all throughout the day while I'm in between my meals. It just helps me stay on track and gives me amazing energy. I am making a tuna melt wrap. And so I really like these carb balance wraps. Okay, so these are what I use. So what I typically do is I will throw in the toaster the carb balance wrap, throw some mozzarella cheese on top of that. I really like this brand. It just melts really nice and it's just really good. And then for mayonnaise and the tuna, so I just do canned tuna. And then for the mayonnaise I use, now, depending on how clean you want to be with your keto lifestyle, there are cleaner options. Like there's this one here, The Chosen Foods makes a really good one with avocado oil. For today's salad, I guess you could consider it dirty keto. I'm gonna use regular old Hellmann's because I like the way it tastes. Personal choice there. So I'm gonna throw this thing together. 2 o'clock p.m.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want.
Alright guys, I definitely burnt this. I burnt my wrap. I wasn't paying attention and I did cook it a little too long, but you know what? It's okay. It's still gonna be amazing. It's just gonna be a little bit extra crispy. Plate it up here. And I actually like to add some Italian dressing to the top of this. And depending on how clean you want your keto, will depend on what type of dressing you are using. If you want to go even cleaner, there is a better brand than this. But for me and what I'm eating today, I'm like totally cool with it not being like a super, super clean keto meal. And that would be the Sir Kingston pepperoncini Italian. It will definitely clean up your keto meal if that's what you want. But I like the Simply Greek from Ken's. This says, you know, no preservatives, no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavors. However, the oils in here probably are not really ideal for clean keto. You know, there's different levels of keto that you can be doing. For my goals, for my experience, for how I like to follow this lifestyle, this is perfect for me. So I'm excited about this. So I'm just gonna fold this bad boy over and it's really crispy. So let's just show you guys what I'm doing here. So we're gonna fold it over, and actually I do like it very crispy, so this works out really well for me. And you can see here, it's like so good. And you can also add butter to the top of this if you want, but since I added the dressing in here, I think it's cool the way it is. Really good. It is 4 o'clock and I'm mixing up my second ketone of the day. I don't always have 2 ketones a day, but some days I do, and that is because, for one, they taste amazing. I love the way they taste. Also, I do like the boost of energy. I do like the boost of mental clarity. I do like how they make me feel, and also they help me stay on track, and especially on the weekends when it's so tempting to fall off track, they help me stay on track. I'm drinking strawberry peach, which pairs really well with orange MITOPLEX. So if you haven't tried that, you definitely need to try that. Give that a shot. The orange MITOPLEX. MITOPLEX is cool because it comes in a package of, whew, that just got inhaled. It comes in a package of 3 different flavors, the lemon, the lime, and the orange, and they mix with the different ketones, nat ketones, enhance the flavor. So this one is so good, and it's like perfect for like a Saturday afternoon, especially like we're fishing, we're by the pool. It's just a tool. It's a tool that I've used since the beginning of my journey to help me stay on track. You see him? What's he doing in there?
I see it. I see it.
I'm gon' buy no big I ate those they live for. Talking on my back, go figure. Whole team eats for splitter. Never was the one to go flicker. No face, no case, no picture. Go place big steaks, my dinner. Flip that. Flip that. Last week, old money, this week.
All right, for dinner we are going to be making these stuffed flank steaks with mozzarella. You get them at Publix. These get grilled right in the grill, in the pan that it comes in. All right, so we are making a riced cauliflower casserole, basically makeshift because I'm just using ingredients that I have. And so I'm gonna do the casserole with the cauliflower and sour cream and some cheese on top.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds. It was fake, help me find you. You're a blessing, reminiscent of the time when I found myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm.
When you grow up, what are you gonna do?
I'm going
It's an egg mac and cheese cauliflower.
Is it really good? Is it your favorite? Yeah. So you love it?
Yeah.
The biggest one you've ever got? Oh my gosh! Is this a redfish?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's huge.
It is huge. Oh!
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
I
24
caught it, that
inches.
fish.
Wow.
I caught it. Ew, look. Ew.
That's pretty cool. If you enjoyed this one, I have videos just like this in a series of daily keto routines right here in a playlist you're going to want to check out next.